The movie was amazing. I was totally in the moment or at the moment. For the moment? Oh. Hello, my favorite student, and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Speaker. My name is Tanya. In today's lesson, we are going to finally understand the difference between at the moment, in the moment, in a moment, at that moment, and for the moment. At the moment basically means now, and we usually use it with the present continuous tense. For example, I'm really busy at the moment, so I can't really take on any more projects. Or, the website is down at the moment, but we are working on fixing it. Or, I'm feeling a bit under the weather at the moment, but I should be fine soon. I'm sorry I can't hang out right now. I'm spending time with family at the moment. I'm watching a new series at the moment. It's really exciting. Next one, and in the moment. In the moment. In the moment means to be fully focused on what's happening right now, without thinking about the past or future. It's when you enjoy and pay attention to what is happening at this exact time. For example, if you're at a party and you are having fun, you might say, I'm enjoying myself in the moment. It means you're enjoying the party and not worrying about anything else. Or if you're watching a movie and not thinking about anything else, you can say, I was really in the moment during that movie. It's about being present and not distracted. In a moment means immediately, in a short time, soon, as in, I'll be with you in a moment. That means you will be ready to talk to someone or help them with something in a short time. Or, the show will start in a moment. This means the show is about to start very soon. Or, I'll call you back in a moment. I'm just finishing something. This means you will return the call very soon. Or, the answer will be clear in a moment. This means that you will understand or know the answer very soon. Next one is at that moment. At that moment. At that moment is used to talk about some specific time in the past or at a very exact point in time. It refers to something that happened at a particular moment. At that moment, I realized I had left my keys. This means at a very specific time. Something happened that made you realize that you had left your keys. Or she was quiet at that moment because she was thinking. This means she was quiet at a specific point in time when something was happening in her mind. At that moment, I knew I had made the right decision. This means at a specific point in time, you understood or felt that you had made the right decision. So at that moment, help us talk about something that happened at a particular time in the past. Almost like saying exactly when this was happening. And the last one is for the moment. For the moment. If you do something for the moment, you are doing it now, but might do something different in the future. Think of for the moment as for now, but maybe not forever. For example, I don't need help for the moment. It's like right now, I don't need your help, but I might later. Or let's stay inside for the moment, it's raining. Right now, we'll stay inside, but maybe later, when it stops raining, we will go outside. Or you can use my phone for the moment. You can use it now, but I might need it later. Or another example is, everything seems fine for the moment. Right now, things are okay, but that could change. She's resting for the moment, but she'll be back soon. She's resting now, but she won't rest forever. Ooh, okay, now let's practice. I will read a sentence with a missing phrase, and you will have a few seconds to think about the answer. Then I will say the correct answer and explain why it is the right choice. Are you ready? Let's go. The first one. Dinner will be ready. Just set the table, please. In a moment. In a moment. Dinner will be ready in a moment. In a moment means very soon, yeah? In a short time. Okay, sentence 2. I can't talk right now. I'm busy. Can I call you later? At the moment. At the moment. At the moment means right now. I'm busy right now. I'm busy at the moment. Sentence 3. She was nervous before the speech, but once she started speaking, she was completely in the moment. In the moment. In the moment means to be fully focused. And that woman was fully focused on giving her presentation. Sentence 4. That movie was so emotional that I forgot everything and just lived in the moment. In the moment. Again, yes. She was fully present, fully focused. Sentence 5. He was walking in the park when it started raining. At that moment, at that moment, at that moment refers to a specific time in the past. Sentence 6. We don't have a big apartment, but it's enough for us. For the moment. For the moment. For the moment means for now, but not permanently. The apartment is fine for now, but they might want to change it later. Sentence 7. I usually drink coffee, but I feel like having tea instead. At the moment. At the moment. Right now. Right now, I'd prefer tea to coffee. Sentence 8. He was about to leave the house when he realized he had left the keys. At that moment. At that moment. Again, we are talking about a particular time in the past. Sentence 9. I'll answer your question. Just let me finish this first. In a moment. In a moment. Yeah, very, very soon. In a short time. And the last one, sentence 10. We are staying in a hotel, but we plan to rent an apartment soon. For the moment. For the moment. For the moment means for now, temporarily. Great job, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. And if you did, like it, subscribe, and share it with a person who really needs to hear this. But that's it from me. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.